Welcome back to Steve's O-Scale Train Channel. And my wife instructed me that we have a demolition date for my layout. And the clock's going behind me. And she instructed me that Monday I need to start tearing it apart. So we've had numerous entries, and my wife never saw any of the dates that people entered in, and she declared Monday. And the closest one to Monday was John Landris. He put September 14th, and it's John Landris, Chooch's Trains, if I'm pronouncing that right. Chooch's Trains. It has an emblem of a cat on there also. He is the winner. So John Landris, if you could send me your mailing address, and I'll be glad to mail out this Conrail boxcar from Menards. It is unopened, and it'll be yours. You can let me know. Thank you.